Have you ever wondered how to make money from TikTok and what the workarounds are? How do celebrities like Ariana Grande do it? Let's find out and deep dive into the fascinating world of TikTok, focusing on how the iconic Ariana Grande maximizes this platform to boost her income. Ariana Grande is not just a pop superstar. She's a master at leveraging social media to enhance her brand and earnings. In this video, we'll uncover 5 ingenious workarounds that Ariana uses to make money from TikTok and how you can incorporate these strategies into your own TikTok journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Leveraging viral content. Ariana Grande is a pro at creating content that goes viral. One of the main strategies she employs is tapping into current trends, popular sounds, and challenges that are already gaining traction on TikTok. By participating in these viral trends, Ariana ensures her content reaches a vast audience, boosting her visibility and engagement rates. For example, her playful dance videos and behind-the-scenes clips from her music videos often resonate with TikTok users, resulting in millions of views and shares. How you can do it? Keep an eye on the trending page and popular challenges on TikTok. Create your own unique take on these trends to stand out while still being part of the larger conversation. The more relatable and entertaining your content, the higher the chances of it going viral. Number 2. Collaborating with influencers. Another key strategy Ariana uses to boost her presence and earnings on TikTok is through strategic collaborations with other influencers. By partnering with popular creators, she can tap into their fan bases, gaining new followers and increasing her reach. These collaborations can take many forms, from duets and challenges to co-hosted live streams. Such partnerships not only boost her visibility, but also create opportunities for cross-promotion and monetization. How you can do it? Identify influencers in your niche who have a similar or complementary audience. Reach out to them with collaboration ideas that offer mutual benefits. Collaborations can significantly expand your reach and introduce your content to new viewers. Number 3. Promoting music and merchandise. Ariana Grande effectively uses TikTok to promote her music and merchandise. She shares snippets of her latest songs, behind-the-scenes footage from her music videos, and exclusive previews that create buzz and anticipation among her fans. Additionally, she showcases her merchandise, from clothing lines to exclusive fan items, driving traffic to her online store. By integrating her promotional content with engaging and entertaining videos, Ariana seamlessly blends marketing with entertainment. How you can do it? Use TikTok to give your audience a sneak peek of your products or services. Create engaging and entertaining videos that highlight the unique features of what you're offering. Encourage your followers to check out your online store or listen to your latest release through clear and compelling calls to action. Number 4. Engaging with fans. Engagement is crucial to building a loyal following on TikTok, and Ariana Grande excels at this. She regularly interacts with her fans by responding to comments, participating in popular challenges, and even featuring fan-created content on her profile. This level of engagement not only strengthens her relationship with her fans, but also encourages them to share her content, further amplifying her reach. By creating a sense of community and making her fans feel valued, Ariana fosters loyalty and long-term support. How you can do it? Make it a priority to engage with your audience on TikTok. Respond to comments, like and share user-generated content, and participate in challenges initiated by your followers. Show appreciation for your fans, and they will become your biggest advocates, helping to spread your content far and wide. Number 5. Using TikTok ads. Ariana Grande also capitalizes on TikTok's advertising options to boost her earnings. TikTok offers various ad formats, including in-feed ads, branded hashtags, and branded effects that allow creators to promote their content more effectively. Ariana leverages these ad formats to reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to her music, merchandise, and other promotional campaigns. By investing in TikTok ads, she can ensure her content is seen by a targeted audience, increasing her chances of converting views into sales. How you can do it? Explore TikTok's advertising options to see what works best for your content and audience. Experiment with different ad formats to find the most effective way to promote your products or services. Investing in ads can help you reach a broader audience and boost your earnings on TikTok. Ariana Grande's success on TikTok is no accident. By leveraging viral content, collaborating with influencers, promoting her music and merchandise, engaging with her fans, and utilizing TikTok ads, she has created a powerful presence on the platform that translates into significant financial gains. These workarounds are not exclusive to celebrities. With dedication and creativity, you too can apply these strategies to your TikTok efforts and start making money. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights on how to succeed on TikTok.